Hello there. This is Stalker Tim's comprehensive digest of headlines shaping the global markets today. Global central bankers have rallied behind Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, issuing a joint statement amid a U.S. Department of Justice criminal probe into the Fed's $2.5 billion headquarters renovation and his congressional testimony. Leaders from the European Central Bank, Bank of England, and central banks in Brazil, Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, South Korea, Australia, and Canada declared full solidarity. We stand with the Federal Reserve System and its chair, Jerome H. Powell, they stated, praising his integrity, focus on his mandate, and unwavering commitment to the public interest. The bankers hailed Powell as a respected colleague, held in the highest regard. J.P. Morgan Chase kicked off the banking earnings season by surpassing Wall Street expectations, driven by a massive surge in its trading operations. While net profit dipped 7% to $13.03 billion, the decline was due to a pre-announced $2.2 billion reserve linked to its acquisition of the Apple Card portfolio from Goldman Sachs. Adjusting for this 60-cent per share impact, the bank reported earnings of $5.23 per share on revenue of $46.77 billion, both outperforming analyst consensus. Looking ahead, J.P. Morgan projected 2026 net interest income of approximately $103 billion, signaling a cautious but steady outlook for the year. Google parent Alphabet has officially crossed the historic $4 trillion market valuation, joining NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Apple in the most elite tier of global finance. Shares in Alphabet climbed nearly 2% to hit a record $334.04, marking a stunning 65% surge over the past year. This milestone confirms Alphabet's successful pivot from a legacy search giant to an AI-first powerhouse, leapfrogging Apple to become the world's second most valuable company. The rally was ignited by a landmark multi-year deal with Apple, which selected Google's Gemini 3 to power a long-awaited Siri overhaul and future Apple Intelligence features.